The Citizen Tsuyosa series has taken the watch world by storm with its integrated bracelet design and vibrant, colorful dials. Now, Citizen is switching up that formula with a brand new, limited edition release. The Tsuyosa Shore Timeslip, reference NJ0238-57E. Set for an official US launch in August 2026 with a price tag of $462.50. The model is already up for grabs in the UK for £349. If you want one, you will need to act fairly quickly, as global production is capped at strictly 12,000 pieces. What makes the Short Timeslip so interesting is how it departs from the rest of the Tsuyosa lineup. Instead of sticking purely to clean, minimalist dress watch aesthetics, Citizen has injected standard dive watch hardware into the mix. The watch retains its signature 40mm stainless steel case with a 12.5mm thickness, but the most striking addition is a full 120-click unidirectional rotating bezel. Beneath the anti-reflective sapphire crystal sits a textured gradient black dial with gold tone hands and markers, complete with luminous coating for low-light legibility and a date magnifier at the 3 o'clock position. The case seamlessly connects to a matching 3-link stainless steel bracelet, secured by a push-button fold-over clasp. Inside, the timepiece is powered by Citizen's reliable in-house caliber 8210 automatic movement, which you can admire through the transparent exhibition case back. Running at 21,600 vibrations per hour with 21 joules, it provides a solid 42-hour power reserve. It also features a hacking seconds function, allowing you to stop the second hand completely when pulling out the crown for precise time adjustment. With a factory accuracy rated between -20 and +40 seconds per day, it delivers performance that is entirely standard and expected for a mechanical watch under the $500 mark. Finally, despite its sportier, dive-inspired aesthetic, the Short Timeslip comes with 100 meters of water resistance. While it isn't an ISO-certified professional diver, that rating gives you more than enough protection for daily wear, swimming, snorkeling, and general surface water activities. Combining integrated bracelet styling with rugged dive elements, the Tsuyosa Short Timeslip offers a fresh, highly versatile twist on one of Citizen's most popular modern designs.